Okay, so welcome back. We're going to talk about posts now. And I forgot to mention this on the pages one, but it's kind of similar. You'll see on every different section within the dashboard, you'll see this up in the top left corner, the posts, and then add new. This is not going to be on every page, so it'd say page, add new, or events, add new. It's just sort of a quick way of doing this. Another quick way is this cool little, if once you're logged in and things and you have this black bar across the top, it has this really cool add new, so you can do all these different things just from straight from that line. So if you want to add a new post, you want to add a new picture or video or sound recording or anything like that. Links are actually out to other websites. I don't really have the widget turned on for that, but you could if you wanted to add that to the sidebar, and I'll show you how to do that a little bit later. So if you have a lot of different links that you want to start linking to other people on or other groups, you're more than welcome to turn that on and do that. Page, similar, we already went through that. Event, we're going to go through it in a little bit, and how to add users. So this is just sort of a quick little menu there. So now we're going to look at the posts themselves, and there's really not much difference between a post and a page, at least in functionality. You're going to still have the titles of the posts here, and then you're going to have that quick menu that pops up right below it as you hover over. So view, same as before, just view the post, trash the post. There's going to be a quick edit one and then an edit one. The main key difference between posts, obviously, is that it goes on that one page and it sort of keeps it more by date than it does necessarily by hierarchy. So they're all going to go on that one page on the main site, which will be, for now, the newsletter page. And you're more than welcome to change that to whatever you wish to in the future. You can change the name of it to post if you want, or you can change it to anything else. But for now, I have it as a newsletter. I just kind of felt like it was appropriate in the sense that this is the one part of the page, or the one part of the site that will change the most frequently, I would guess, that in the events. So, and again, before you can have different things in here. So we're going to go back over here to the edit posts page and see that we've opened up this intertitle here, one that Crystal created the other day. We're just going to, just like, boy, this picture of this dog, boy, that's just too much. So let's just go ahead and get rid of that. And then we can say, hello, everyone. Here is another blog post, right? And then you can also change the title here. So this is a title. You can do the same as the pages. You can add media. You can make this bold. You can highlight this. Make it, instead of a paragraph, you can make it a header. So make it bigger, or make it slightly smaller. The heading number 1 is always the biggest, and then it goes all the way down to 6, and you can kind of see that there actually. So all the rest are pretty much similar. And then there's also the link function, which are these two buttons right here. You can, if you click link here, it pops up that, so you can add a link. So let's just say we want this particular piece of text to go out to Google. So we just go to www.google.com, and then we can open that in a new tab if we want, or not. Either way, I kind of like this if you're doing external links to go ahead and click that tab, because you kind of want people to stay on your site if you can. So, but at the same time, you don't want to stop them from leaving altogether. So we're going to add that link, and you'll see that it sort of does that whole link highlighting kind of business. So we're going to click update, and then we're going to go out to the page, and we're going to refresh that. And we should see the dog go away, and well, when it finishes updating here, still working on it. So there we go now. So now we're going to refresh this, and you'll see that it has changed on this page once it comes back up. And then we'll go ahead and click on that link out to Google just to test it out and make sure it works. So you'll see, and this is hello. Here's another blog post, and then it goes out to Google. So there we go.